All you need to know about connection types in Power BI. Power BI is a really useful tool for understanding data in businesses. It helps people make interactive reports and dashboards. One cool thing about Power BI is that it can connect to lots of different types of data, like Excel files, databases, and even online services like Salesforce and Google Analytics. When you're using Power BI, there are 3 main ways to get your data. Connection types in Power BI refer to how Power BI interacts with data sources that you want to connect to. In Power BI, there are 3 main data connection types, which are 1. Import mode, 2. Direct query, 3. Live connection. The import connection method is by default option in Power BI, and that imports data into the Power BI data model. It is most common connectivity type. Can import the data from various sources. The import mode connectivity allows users to import data from various sources, such as Excel files, CSV, comma-separated values, JSON files, PDFs, and many more. Let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the import data connection type. Advantages. Report performance is fast and delivers results almost immediately. It supports all DAX functions. Supports numerous data sources like Excel CSV file, SQL Server, etc. Disadvantages. Data size limit is only 1 GB. Direct query. The direct query connection method enables users to link directly to a data source without having to import the data into the Power BI data model. The queries are sent directly to the data source, and the results are returned in real time. Direct query does not support all data sources, but mostly supports data sources with relational database models, RDMs. Advantages and disadvantages of direct query. Advantages. Excellent for large data sets. Supports a number of data sources like SQL Server, Azure Data. Data is queried from the data source in real time, and refreshes occur every 15 minutes. Disadvantages. Data size limit is only 1 GB. Performance, slower than import mode. DAX functionalities are limited. Live connection. The live connection method allows users to connect to a data source in real time and is similar to the direct query method. Only available for specific data sources, SQL Server Analysis Services, Azure Analysis Services, and Power BI datasets in the Power BI service. Advantages and disadvantages of live connection. Advantages. Excellent for huge data models. Supports DAX. Disadvantages. Limited data source support. Is not compatible with all data sources. Choosing the right connection method in Power BI is like choosing the right tool for the job. It can make all the difference in the success of your project.